Please introduce yourself.
I am Josa Sabado, 35 years old, married to Edmund Sabado, 37 years old. I have 3 children. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am third in the family.
Are you afraid of pets like dog or cat?
No,
Do you have any experience working in other country?
no, but I have experience working here in the Philippines for almost 4 years.
Do you know how to take care of children?
Yes,
How about baby or newborn baby?
yes,
Do you know how to take care of elderly?
no,
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
yes, but yes, like steamed fish, pork, adobo, noodles, soup.
If you come to Hong Kong, who take care of your children?
My mother-in-law.
Do you like to work with other maids?
Yes, I'm willing to help with another maid.
Would you mind if your holiday will be fixed by the employer?
Yes,
Can you sing children's song?
yes. What is the day? What is the day? Today is a rainy day. Sir, if you like me, don't worry. I'm a good girl, hardworking, kind, honest, and responsible. Thank you.